Every little Psalms on this song about it. Oh, oh, early morning, feet touch floor. Still feel yesterday on my back. Questions sitting by my door. Suitcase of worry, faith unpacked.
I hear you in the quiet rain, calling me out from my fears. I've already walked this pain. Just take one step, I'm right here.
Oh, lead me where your river keeps on running. Feed me when my spirit feels like nothing. Keep me on the narrow road you promised. Hand in hand through desert and sea. Jesus, lead me. Jesus, lead me.
Foreign soil under my shoes, pilgrim heart in a borrowed town. Every street giving me the news. This world can't hold what I found. Cloud by day and fire by night, you write your mercy in the sky. Spirit, teach my feet your time. Step by step, you lift me high.
Where your river keeps on running. Feed me when my spirit feels like nothing. Keep me on the narrow road you promised. Hand in hand through desert and sea. Jesus, lead me. Jesus, lead me. When I wander, pull me closer.
When I stumble,
Hold me up. When I'm empty, fill my cup again.
it up again.
From the hillside to the harbor, from the valley to your throne, every step is bringing me home. Lead me where your river keeps on
Running,
Feed me when my spirit feels like nothing.
keep me,
On the narrow road you
promise.
hand in hand through desert and sea. Jesus.